Hey guys, today I'm gonna draw this diagram. So it's from ray optics. As you can see, there are two mirror and a lens, which is convex. So yeah, let's get it started. So firstly, let's make an axis, or simply it's a line, not an axis. So let's draw a line, and line is like minus, let's say minus 5 comma 0 to 5 comma 0. So this is the line, and then we want in the middle a lens, or firstly we can make this mirror, then this mirror, then we can make lens, doesn't matter. So let's firstly make this lens. Okay, so for lens, as you can see, lens is made up of like two set of arcs. So first arc is like this, second arc is like this. So let's try to make an arc. So draw like firstly we have to, for arc, as you know, firstly we have to select the center, then after we can move to this point and then make an arc. Okay, so let's keep it center here. So let's say center will be -2, or let's say -3. So for that, let's define some variables. So firstly we're going to define a radius as 3. Okay, so I'm going to use the radius here. So this will be the center, and then after we are going to move here. So this will be the center. From there we are going to move here. For that's why we just added double plus. We removed dash part because we are not going to draw something, just we are going to progress the coordinate. And this angle should be, I guess, -30 and equivalent to radius. And from there we are gonna make an arc. Okay, so now we make an arc. So arc will be like -30 to 30. We can change later on this part. Okay, so after saving, we're gonna see an arc. So as you can see, it's an arc, and we are gonna do exactly same for other arc. So again, we can proceed in two ways. Firstly, we can just change the center, and then we will see the arc, I guess. I don't know, we will see or not. No, what should I, let's comment this one. So this is the arc, and now we want to make an arc like this. For that, center have to like this. The angle should be like what, 120, I guess. And from there we want angle like I don't know how much angle, sorry, 150. And 150 plus 30, that means 180, and plus 30 is 210. So yeah, uh, radius should be like that, and we want to progress 150. Okay, so from there to there we moved like that, and then we want to make an angle, sorry, we make an arc. So 150, then 210, and I hope this will, yeah. So as you can see, it made a perfectly uh, arc, but now we have to like change something so that it will like connect to each other. So as you can see, this is kind of a problematic approach. We don't want to make a lens like this. We want to make like this, something this way. Okay, so from there, like, we can continue making an arc. So right now we are just here. Okay, -30 to 30. Let me just hide this part, and then after, so from there we continue to make an arc. So for arc, we're gonna write 150, 210, and then radius. It will make a perfect arc. So as you can see, this is how we want it actually. So I think our first part is done, lens part. And yeah, we can use cycle actually. cy cell, yeah, cycle, so that it will connect to the initial point. And now we can apply like fill or something. So let's say fill is equals to, let's say, white. So it will just make a white lens. Okay, let me just zoom out and see. Yeah, it's perfect. And yeah, you can, by the way, change the radius so that it will just get much thinner. uh, Let me just change radius to 4 5. Let me see what happens. So I guess let me put radius as 4, but angle, let me get another variable. So we call it angle, and for angle we can just name it capital A. So angle we can just A, and again A. I'm doing like this because I can change the angle using single variable, so that will be easier to visualize. And this will be like 180 minus angle. Okay, so still it will look exactly the same, but now we have the power to change the angle actually. So as you can see, whenever we need to make thinner lens, we can just change angle to 20, 10 or like that, and we can increase the radius also, so that lens will be much bigger. So I guess first part is done. Now we are going to move to second part. So again we are going to use this radius and angle to make an arc, or you can say mirror. So exactly we're going to do exactly the same thing. So draw, and firstly we have to get its center, where we want the center of this mirror. So let's make the center uh, twice of radius. Okay, so radius is like here, and twice of radius, or you can say radius, I don't know. So right now just keep it radius, comma 0. And from there, so we started from here. Now we want to move here. That means we have to use relative coordinate, and then for that we have to use negative of angle and then radius, and we moved at this point. Now we want to make an arc. So for that just say arc, and then we can define the starting angle, and we can say ending angle or last angle, say. So angle, we are gonna start from here to here, so minus a to plus a. Okay, and then we want radius, so this will make an arc actually. So right now just run this command, see what happens. Plus r, I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, actually it made like so this is center, and actually yeah, we started from a, so let's put minus, no, minus will be uh, so what should I do? Let's say minus r, so it will coincide with this one. So just say 0.5 times r. This way we can shift here. No, what happened, man? Oh yeah, we got this. So let's say 0.25. 0.25 is still large. uh, I don't know what to do actually. 0.1 times, I don't know what's happening. We 0.1 times r. Let's fix the coordinate, see what happens then after. I don't know what is happening. Radius is 5 unit and we are making, so yeah, this will be 2. So radius, no, something is wrong there. So arc, let's put arc double plus relative arc. No, relative arc doesn't. exist actually. Let's double plus here. No, I don't know what happened here. Mm, so this is 5 comma 0. Let's put 5 comma 0. It will work, I know, but 5 unit is like this, and we want radius to be okay. Yeah, I got actually minus 0.5 times r, so radius will be like here. So yeah, now it's okay. Minus 25 will be better, I guess. So yeah, it's okay now. So yeah, this is an arc. So we started from this kind of coordinate, then moved to here, then we drawn an arc, and then we further moved like this. We want to move like this. Okay, so again, we have to like what? Uh, we have to draw a line, and this will be positive, and then we want at the same angle, but we want this time is like a tiny bit, let's say 0.2 unit, yeah, 0.25. Okay, and then again we want to draw an arc. Okay, so this time arc will be like this. So from this to this we moved here, and then we want to make an arc. So arc is exactly same, minus a to a, and this time r plus 0.2, because radius will be larger. Let's save it first, then see what happens. Oh sorry, we have to a to minus a in the opposite direction actually. So yeah, this is what we wanted, and then after we can use cycle actually to join the initial point, which is like this. So yeah, as you can see, it is perfectly fine. But now we want to fill. So fill is equals to, we can just use gray color, so black 35. So it will be like this, and then we can use fill. So yeah, this will be like this, and let's make a arc. So for arc we can just copy code actually. So let's copy this part, and it will make an arc. So yeah, this is how the mirror will look like. So as you can see, it looks perfectly fine. And let me decrease the gapping here, or we can keep it, yeah, we can keep it exactly same, doesn't matter. So first part is done here, and yeah, we can just copy the whole code and change the center actually. So this will make yeah, actually this, but we want actually in opposite direction as we did for this part here. So again we want center, and then we want like this. So we want 180 minus something. So here we have to use 180 actually. So as you can see, but still it's not what we wanted actually. And then from arc, for arc actually we can do 180 minus angle, and second 180 plus angle. This way we can do something. So yeah, as you can see, half part is done almost. And again we can change it here as well, 180 and 180, and we can add here. So line will be there. So yeah, line is there, but now we have to like shift line a little bit. So for this part, like, so for that we can move to where we, I don't know, let me just get it. So firstly we have started to the center, we moved to this point, then we made an arc actually, and then we want to move along this part. So we want to move 180 plus angle A. Yes, but we want to move in opposite direction, so that should be minus. And then from there we want to move like two sorry 180 plus itna to 180 minus itna, and radius minus would be like 0.25. Yeah, so I guess this will do the job. So yeah, as you can see, it looks perfectly fine, but here we have to put the arc this facing, so this side. So let's do this. So firstly, we just have to change the radius. Actually, we don't have to anything. So radius, mm, actually we have to change a lot of thing. No, we just change this part actually. No, it's not. Oh, sorry, semicolon. I for. Oh man. I forgot semicolon. No, it is not what we wanted. 181. Yeah, it's okay. Hmm. Yeah, I know radius. Let's just change the radius. So 0.2 and minus 0.2. So 25 actually. So radius looks fine, and a few more things I have to tweak a little bit. And by the way, we can define as a single variable here on dr. We can, so let's define. So dr, which is delta r. So dr, let's say 0.25 right now, and whenever needed we can just add here dr, that means delta r. So again we're gonna add delta r as a separate variable, so that it's easy to maneuver a single variable. That's why we are doing like this. So delta r again, delta r again, delta r, oh, like multiple places, delta r. So I guess most of the parties are done here. So now if you want to change the delta r using single command, we can change for the whole length. Okay, so I guess it looks fine. Let me zoom out. So yeah, this is mirror 1, this is lens, and again this is mirror 2, and it looks perfectly fine to me. I think one more thing we have to take care is I think this distance is quite large in compared to this one. And yeah, we actually made this arc, so that's why it looks like it is. So yeah, we can shift towards right a bit, doesn't matter, or we can shift this lens towards right. Anyway, we can do this. So let's say 0.9. It will just shift the lens towards this. So according to need, we can choose this to shift accordingly. 9 to that will be better, I guess. So yeah, now it looks exactly in the middle, and let's make a change in the dr. So yeah, now it's look perfectly good, and now we can label things. Actually, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna use node for labeling things. So let's say node add, or we can use node. Okay, let's use here node, and we want this to be mirror 1. So mirror 1, and this should be above. So below we can do this below. Yeah, below. By the way, we can put here as well, doesn't matter, because let's displace this node from here to here, and then we will see. So yeah, so now from below we can use above. So as you can see, node got shifted here. And again we can do it for lens as well. So we moved from here to here, that means first arc. So we can just use node and just say above, and this would be called lens, simply lens. So as you can see, lens. And then again for the mirror 2 part as well. So this is the mirror, and we're gonna put here the node. So this is mirror 2, so mirror 2, and this also should be above. So yeah, this is mirror 2, and node part is done, I guess. And one last thing we have to do is like indicate this dimension 20 centimeter and the s as well, which is the location of the object, I guess. So let's say draw, and we want where we want, I actually don't know. So let's say right now 0, 0, or let's say -2 unit, and then we want like 3 unit, 3, 0, and then we can use node midway below, and then we can just put 20 centimeter. So C negative spacing and M. Now after saving you will see. So yeah, this is 20 centimeters. So as you can see, it is not perfectly aligned actually, because we have shifted this part, and again we have no idea how much distance it is. So for that we can, yes, get some idea. So yeah, we can calculate exact sense, but I'm not gonna do this, because I can change a bit, then after we can get the idea where this point should be. So I guess 7.5. So I guess it looks fine here. Oh, exactly. So I'm done here. So let's do 7.2. Yeah, now it looks great. And let's make a circle, fill circle at 2, 0, circle 2 point. So and name this circle. So node below, we can just say S. So as you can see, it looks perfectly fine. So at normal size, lens, mirror 1, mirror 2, and this is the node. Yeah, we can say this should be dashed, but it doesn't matter, just have to add dashed. But I think a solid line is better looking. So for dashed we can do this, but it doesn't matter. Solid line is great here. So yeah, I guess this diagram is done, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Okay.